Ooh. Grab a nice little 454, tearing it down. I've been picking at it every day after work and whatnot. So I really haven't been paying attention to recording, but as y'all can see, it's about stripped down. I'm about to put a crank now. Hone the cylinders. Most of them look good. A little something here and there, but this is the main one I'm worried about right here. Got some real rust in it, but rented me this little tool from O'Reilly's. Not sponsored yet, but I have to tear this thing down the rest of the way, get this off, get the crank out of there, get the cam out of there, and get to honing. This chain right here is so loose. It's supposed to be tight, but super loose, not good. Y'all probably seeing me in the time lapse use this hammer, thinking, oh shit, what's he doing? But little old school trick, get these caps off, pull the bolts up, get a bolt to tap, then once the teardown's done, oh shit, taking these main caps off. What do you think of that, Cody?
Oh,
What are those?
stink like gasoline.
What are they?
Isn't it fucking main bearer or main?
Oh, main cap.
Main kit?
You know it's a little something?
Why does it stink like this?
I think that's you.
No, it smells like gasoline, don't it?
I don't know.
Oh.
Show them what we're doing here. Taking apart these bearings. You know what this calls for? Just kidding. How can we get this out? Maybe a little persuasion. There we go. Very fucking black. Strip down, rotating assembly out, balancer off. Got her over here scraping the gasket off. She got this real nice. Appreciate you. But yeah, as you can see, hone the cylinders. Nice little. I think those hatches are good enough for the people I hang out with. So I'm gonna rock with them. Probably get this thing washed up. Well, it is washed up. Probably do it again just to get all the debris out, all this crud off. Really paint this thing, mask it up, paint it. But just want to give you a little update. I was honestly nervous about this style honer because I usually use the ball ones, but it's going pretty good. At the now. Pipe them down in there. Oh yeah, you see those cross hatches? You see those lines going back and forth? They're honestly a little too close. It's supposed to be like a 45-degree angle, but you can change the angle by how fast you go up and down and whatnot. But we'll clean these up and check them out and see if I got the correct angle or the desired angle. Yeah, so look right here. If you look right here, you can see those hatches right there. I don't know if the camera can catch it, but they're a 45-degree angle. They're crossing this way. That's good. That's what we want. Too fast or too slow won't get you the right angle, so you gotta do it just right.
Nice crosshair.
Yeah, just literally just tell them. Just tell them. A little before action. And here's what the after looks like. Not perfect, probably could use a couple more passes, but we're getting there. She's cleaned up nice, no major scars and shit. I ended up picking up this block right here on a pallet off Marketplace for 300 bucks. Fuel injected, I'm about to put a carb on it. Little go fast parts on the inside, you know. Have her running, but I wanted to go this route because it's different. Everybody going with the LS, but when the big block pull up, them LS is gonna be like, shit. But I'm about to paint it all black. Matte black, full black engine. But yeah, man. 454 is down the bare block. Gonna inspect the crank, see if it needs turned. Don't feel like it. Got a little something right there. Could be turned a little bit. Ooh, what the fuck? I was about to say. I didn't know what that was. I couldn't tell what it was from this angle. Clean. Needs a little turn on this one. Maybe a little sand down on it. Oh wait, I'm tripping. Or no, yeah, that's it. Yep, I thought that was another bearing on there stuck, but cam out. Yeah, man. This thing's down to the block. About ready for paint. About ready to start shopping for Go Fast parts. Stay tuned. I'll be throwing this thing together. It's about build season. Let's go.